Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add your own music to a TikTok video. Let's get started. First tap the plus button at the bottom, then record a new video or tap upload to choose one of your gallery. There are two main ways. After recording or uploading, tap next. At the editing screen, tap voiceover on the right menu, then record your own audio or play music from the other device while recording, and check and keep original sound if you want both, then save. Next method is a use of a video editing app like CapCut, InShot on or your phone's editor. Then add your song or audio track to the video, then save the editing video. Upload it back into TikTok using the upload option. You can add effects, captions, or stickers, then tap next, then pause your video or save it as draft. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.